Your OPT or CPT ending and EB2 or EB3 are not available, or the priority dates are through the roof, and H1B is not more available to you, or very unlikely to be available. So what are the options? What you need to do now, not to panic, not to go back to school, to continue your career in the US. So this video is going to be addressing your best alternatives to start and continue your career in the US. Also, you will know how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys who are on OPT or CPT and you are getting close to the end and you don't have H1B and probably will never get it, and no one wants to do EB2 or EB3 for you, but you do have an employer who's kinda wanna assist you and help you, maybe if you don't have to do a lot, and give you that chance to continue working for them. So what are your options? Your best option, and guys, I wanted to leave it for the end, but I know you're like, Stanislav, give it to me, please. I'll give it to you right now. Your best option, and this visa is going to shine bright like a diamond for the years ahead, is the O1 visa. The visa for talented people. And I understand you guys may not have heard about this visa, or you think it's for Einstein or for Nobel Prize winners and things like that. This is simply not true. Okay, this is simply not true. This is a visa for young professionals who want to get their professional career going into the US. Okay, so what is O1 visa? It's a non-immigrant work visa for you and your family. If you get approval, your family will also qualify, your spouse and kids below 21 years old. It's very fast. It's about 6 months to get all the documents and improve your case. File it with expedited processing, 15 days, and you will get things going. You can start work immediately. If you are outside at the moment of approval, you may go through the embassy and it will add about 2 to 3 months to your case. So 6 or 8 to 9 if you're going through the embassy. Now, there is no limit, there is no formal education requirement, there is no language requirement. It's for 3 years initially. It could be extended indefinitely as long as your employer wants you. And also you can switch employers, you can start your own startup and use that entity as an employer, or you can use an agent to work with different companies and projects, and it applies to all type of professions: art, education, science, IT, engineers, sport, you name it, okay? You name it. So very good, the best alternative to any one of them existing in the world, pretty fast, easy to understand. Your talent is measured by the criteria. We have 8 criteria. We need to prove 3 of them. What are those 8? Awards, judging the work of other professionals, press about you, academic articles, professional associations, contribution in the field, working in companies with good reputation, and significantly higher payment. And trust me, guys, I know some of them sounds like, oh, awards, I don't get any awards. Well, maybe you spoke at the conference and they published your paper. That could be an award. Or maybe you got a good scholarship. Oh, Stanislav, I didn't judge the work of other professionals. Sure, no problem. Did you do a peer review for publications of others? Or maybe some people in your company from other department or other teams ask you to do the architectural review, or the code review, or your doctor and they ask you for a second opinion. There you go. This is judging the work of others. Oh, but Stanislav, my pay is not significantly high. I'm in the market, so I'm not going to prove this criterion. Wait, it's not about being in the market. 20% above the government statistics, all right? So unless you guys know those little details, you cannot assess yourself. Only I can do this because I've been doing this for 10 years. My O1 approval rating is 99%. So basically, if I'm taking your case, I'm gonna get it approved, okay? With some rare exceptions. So get a free evaluation for O1 visa right now, because it does not get better than that, okay? And the link for the free evaluation is below this video. Click on it, fill out the questionnaire, wait for 2 days. After you submitted it, I'll give you the full breakdown of your case. Look for the word potential. Not everyone will see it, but those who will see, you guys need to get to the complex immigration planning, where I will build a written strategy of your case, which my team is gonna go by once you hire our services. Option number 2, EB1A. If you're not from India, China, Philippines, and those countries that are backlogged, but you have a really strong portfolio, really strong background, and your OPT and CPT are on top of your prior career in this field, you may be looking at EB1A right away. You can skip O1 and get the green cards for yourself and your family. So what's the difference between talent visa EB1A and O1? Well, the amount and quality of the evidence. For O1, it's pretty low. For EB1A, it's very high. And we need to make sure that we have that experience, guys. EB1A is closer to 10 plus years of experience, because that's when I can prove your subjective strength of the case. Okay, because objective, no problem, but subjectively, this is a big fight between us and USCIS. And we're fighting those officers like Mike Tyson, ready to bite that ear, okay? Because we know the strength of our cases. So EB1A is a little bit longer. It will take a little more time to get that green card, maybe a year, maybe a little more. But still, guys, it's lightning fast in today's circumstances of immigration law. So EB1A is the second option, and you can get the free evaluation on that also on the same link, because O1 and EB1A are the sister visas. And the last viable option for you guys is EB2NIW. Again, if you're not from India or China or Philippines and those countries that are backlogged, EB2NIW is very good, because we can use your education, your experience, and your project in the national interest of the United States of America to prove that you will benefit this country. It's a little bit longer, it's a 2.5 years, but still a viable option if you start working on your petition earlier. But guys, very important, do not wait till the end of your OPT and CPT. I have a client yesterday. She's like, Stanislav, my OPT ends in December. How can I get your case for like 3-4 months going? No EB1A, no EB2NIW, maybe O1A if we really put a lot of effort into this. Guys, don't give me those 3 to 4 months, okay? Nobody wants it, neither you nor me, nor my teams. Give me 6 months at least, okay? Better a year. So we could have time for maneuver if something changes in the law, like it changed with H1B. Just like that. 1 second and everything changed. Okay? So do that free evaluation right now, even if you're on F1 visa, guys. Even if you're on F1. F1, OPT, CPT, it doesn't really matter. You gotta give yourself and myself the time to work that case. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also press the bell button not to miss the future videos. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.